Hi, Caroline here. I am the founder and the smooth operating officer here at Love Scrub to answer all your questions about African exfoliation. Absolutely. It is so easy to travel with, and my recommendation is when it is wet, like roll it in a towel just to take away any extra moisture, because what's going to happen is if you put it in your suitcase like as soon as you get out of the shower, first of all, it's going to wet all your stuff, but it's also going to cause mildew if it is too moist, and then just like normally it does dry pretty quick. But I always just do that as a precaution so that it is extra dry when you travel with it. Also, I will say this, when you travel and you don't have it with you, it's gonna be hard. You're gonna just wanna run home, use your Love Scrub, and just get back on track. So always try to bring it with you when you can, and then always remember to bring it back with you. We do see that a lot, that our customers might forget it and then they never see it again, and they are very sad about that. And we don't want that to happen to you. So yeah, definitely on your next trip, make sure to bring it with you. Please feel free to check out our website to learn more, and also to pick up an authentic African mesh body exfoliator. You'll thank us later.